Hello again. Just thought I'd pull a card before lunch break, which I'm about to take. A new deck. I'll be using some of the same decks over and over today. And when you ask for a private reading, I will give you a deck or two to choose from that we will use during your reading. Sometimes when you have a reading, sometimes it's actually okay to use more than one deck, especially if you're left with just a feeling that there's something more you need to know. It's okay to pull from another deck for that extra boost of guidance. So let's see. Let's see what Spirit has to say for us. So far, it's been a lot of insight about finishing up the old and finding confidence to move forward as we go into the new year. So instead of drawing off the top, I cut it and made the middle the top. Co-create. Co-create. And it's in upright. So let's see what else it has to say. No pause in here. And just take me a minute here. Might set down the card for just a second. It makes it easier. This book is well used, which I've gotten co-create for myself in the past. Let's see if we can get this to where you can really see. Some of these, they have so much in them that have all kinds of meanings of what you might see in the picture that might catch your eye, that might go, oh my God, I understand that. Or I've been seeing owls, or I've been seeing faces in formation. Co create. Creativity, art, inspiration, intuition, manifestation. You may consider yourself a creative person, but in fact, you are creating your reality every moment of every day via your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, intentions, and actions. Yet, you must consider that you do this so in partnership with spirit, consciousness, God, or whatever name you call your higher power. You are a spark of this intelligence that works through you, nudging you with inspired thoughts and intuitive guidance. You are a paintbrush that co creates a beautiful, unique expression of your own individuality, blended with universal spirit. You are a product of divine inspiration, and now you're aligned with it to create miracles. When you view your life as art and know you co create it, only beauty and grace result. Prepare to be amazed. So, as we co create with spirit, always be prepared to be amazed at what you and spirit can do together, or God, universe, your higher power. Whatever you may call that higher power, just know as you feel inspired, it's not just coming out of thin air. It's you and spirit co creating together.